Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix two finger scroll not working in your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, what you have to do, you just need to right click on your start menu, just right click and click on settings. Now on your settings window on your left side you will get an option like Bluetooth and devices. So click over there. Now click on the right side. If you're now scroll down, if your scroll not working, then you can press down arrow button. Now go to the touchpad. Here it is, as you can see. Now click on scroll and zoom. Okay. Now make sure that this option is checked, which is drag two finger to scroll. Okay. After that, just try to scroll up and down. If it is working, then fine. If it is not, then just follow my next step, which is you just need to go to your start menu and then just type over there main.cpl. Now click on enter or click on this main.cpl. After that, you just need to go to pointers. Here it is, as you can see, pointers. Now on the scheme, you have to select any other pointer device. Like in my case, it is Windows default system. So I will select any other, and after that click on apply and click on OK and restart your computer. Maybe it will fix your problem. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any quiz or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.